It started with a single flash, a burst of radio energy lasting less than a millisecond, powerful enough to outshine every star in the Milky Way combined. Astronomers didn't know what caused it, they only knew it wasn't from Earth. Since 2007, these mysterious signals, fast radio bursts or FRBs, have been echoing across the universe. And now, scientists think they've finally found the source. Imagine you're listening to space through a giant cosmic radio. Then, suddenly, static. For a fraction of a second, a flash of energy slams into your receiver. That's an FRB, a fast radio burst. They come from deep space, lasting less than the blink of an eye, yet releasing more energy than our sun emits in a year. Some are one-time bursts. Others repeat, as if something is sending coded messages from the dark. The story began in 2007 when astronomer Duncan Lorimer and his student found a signal buried in telescope data. It came from 3 billion light-years away, too powerful to be a pulsar, too brief to be a supernova. No one believed it at first. Some thought it was interference from Earth, maybe a radar glitch. But then more appeared, from different places, different galaxies, and soon, the universe was whispering in bursts of radio light. Across the globe, radio telescopes began listening. The Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment, CHIME, became one of the most powerful FRB hunters. It detected hundreds of bursts from every direction. Some repeated at perfect intervals. One even pulsed every 16.35 days, like a cosmic heartbeat. Scientists began asking, is this a natural phenomenon, or something sending a signal? Many theories emerged. Some said FRBs came from colliding neutron stars, the densest objects in the universe. Others pointed to black hole jets, supernova remnants, or even extraterrestrial technology. After all, a repeating signal doesn't sound random. But in 2020, something changed. For the first time, an FRB was detected inside our own galaxy, the Milky Way. The source was a magnetar, a type of neutron star born from the death of a massive sun. A magnetar's magnetic field is over 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's. It can rip atoms apart, distort space, and unleash unimaginable energy. When the magnetar's crust cracks under its own magnetic pressure, it releases a massive burst of energy, a flash that travels billions of light-years. For the first time, we had a match, a flash that travels billions of light-years. But even now, not every FRB fits the magnetar story. Some bursts are too regular. Others come from regions without any known magnetars. It's possible that FRBs have more than one cause, a cosmic symphony of different origins. It could be collapsing stars, black hole mergers, maybe even exotic physics we haven't discovered yet. For centuries, humans looked up and wondered if the universe was silent. Now we know it isn't. Space is alive with signals. Each fast radio burst is a story of death, creation, and power beyond imagination. And maybe, just maybe, these bursts are the universe's way of speaking back. We solved the mystery, but the universe might just whisper another. Follow us for more fascinating facts.